Let's have a look at the intro now. This is the intro, normal intro on the screen, and we will skip the countdown. Okay, after hello everyone, it's nice to see you again. Today we will make the live stream with the main topic is crypto daily life uh, during the pandemic, and we discuss all the new, all all the thing with the highlight below. You if you have any question, don't hesitate to let me know and join our live chat in all the platform. With the discussion point, we can see that Bitcoin is in the rocket. Bitcoin skyrocket within 24 hours. It go up to more than 10%. And there's an issue in Lebanon with the dollar crisis. It's cost is made around 14,000 USD per one Bitcoin in Lebanon because of the crisis. We will discuss later. Uh, about that, about something about the crypto arcs. That's a guy they use the arc to sell the thing based on the crypto, and later we will have a look at this one. In the last part, we will have a discussion, chit chat, share about the crypto daily life during the pandemic. Keep watching. We will discuss later. And now what we have seen, I will share you to see the browser. Let's see the browser. People can see the browser I shared to you. Just let me know. In this morning, I have a little twist about the Bitcoin skyrocket dynamic and the major strength got crash. Of course, after the bill check from the Fed, the new Fed release on my live stream the day before yesterday. People have more money and they use it to invest in the crypto. That's why the exchange, as I know that one of the major exchange in the Coinbase is having the crash, and it's have the maintenance. A lot of Twitter, a lot of people discuss about it. And if you have any question, please choose my tweets and let me know. The next one we see on the news on the Bitcoin rocket, the Bitcoin skyrocket yesterday. People can see in the screen. If you feel that this chart is so small, I will use the full one, and we will see together. This is a chart about the total address, Bitcoin address have been created, and it's grow more and good. In the morning of this day, the price more than 9,000. Until now, the price little bit slow down, fall below 9,000 is around 8,800 per Bitcoin. We go to have a look on the news of the coin telegraph. There's a lot of things here tell us why the Bitcoins go up this day. Yes, it go up because after the bill, after the pandemic, a lot of government bailout send the QE, and we have a lot of money and in paper, and we use that money paper to invest in crypto to earn more profits. That's a strategy for people. Let's continue with the news. I see the news on the Reuters. The Reuters say that after aggressive mass testing, Vietnam say it contains the coronavirus outbreak. Yes, it's it's a good news. As I see in Vietnam now, a lot of people they feel very happy and they know that they can control, can maintain the virus. Yes, now we go stick to the market trend. There's a live stream today. Keep watching and we will follow up with some of the menu, some of the highlight. Bitcoin rocket why the traditional market in this crash. Yes, this news I got in this morning, and it's hit above the world 9,000. I see it's very a lot of investor feel very fantastic with this kind of news. People may see that all the market fell in the March surrounding of the fear, the pandemic fear, and Bitcoin plunged 50% between March 12 and March 13. It's hit around 3,800 on some exchange. And the halving news could also be at a place. A lot of miners he said that the halving is one of the boosts to bring the price of the Bitcoin go the skyrockets this day. Let's see. Let's keep watching. How is the price can go up further, and if it fall down after 9,000, so can it go up more than 9,000 again? Okay, the next one with the headline is crypto arc has the potential to go the parabolic. Yes, it's as a guy from the Kevin, we should explain the business side of the coin. People may see that the digital arc has many similarity. Let's say it's very early Bitcoin. People they use the arc in the other part. He can use the sky of the token is NFT token. And what is NFT token? NFT token is look like one is and with the NFT token. It's similar with the Bitcoin, but my Bitcoin, my coin is different with your coin. It's non-fungible token. We call that NFT token. Okay, the next one is very hot now. Currently now in the Lebanon. A lot of news like CNN and Reuters, they say that in Lebanon there's a crisis in dollar and the price of the Bitcoin hit 14,000 per one Bitcoin in the local Bitcoin. That's why the people we can see that there's some highlight here. At least 50% of the value against the dollar since last years, and now the food price was up 50%. Estimate 75% of the population needs assistance of the kind. That's why there's a crisis in dollar in Lebanon. Okay, the next one we go through some of the twists from the influencer. People in crypto may know the Mr. AP Pompliano. He's one of the famous influencer, and he twists the thing like the future is not like the weather. Let me turn on the speaker for you to have a look. The future is not like the weather. It doesn't just happen. People make the future. It's not destiny or hope. He's one of the people always ask to be optimistic in Bitcoin. And one more the other influencer is Cryptola. He also have the very famous YouTube channel, and he say in his tweets is a well Alice there's 35 million 35 million of the USDT have been transferred from unknown wallets to the Binance. It means that that's the other people trying to buy more Bitcoin in this morning. And people can see about the chart here. The chart is about a chart 2000 day MA. The price go up like this. Let's have a look at the glass knot. In this morning, I see on the trading view. Let's see the trading view between the Bitcoin and the US dollar. Bitcoin US dollar. You guess how much of the Bitcoin will be after today? In my own opinion, it may fall down a little bit around 8,500, and after it hits the support line, and it will go up more than 9,300. And just have a look how the coin can go going. And you can see in the chart now, in this chart of the trading view, we can have a look at the technical. There's this one, the technical is so indicator is a buy at the buy thing, and the price now is $8,850 from this time. Mostly all of the exchange will around 8,800. People can see that, and we can see the technical to show that we still at the buy. It means it show that the price still go up a little bit, fall down a little bit, based because of the future market. On some exchange they play the markets. If the price is hit, if it's hard, if the price go further, all the short people can lose money. That's why some of the investors they still hesitate to jump in during this season, because the price will have very supply for the people. And I think it's enough for all the sharing about the market today. Now let's discuss about the crypto daily during the pandemic. What do you think about during the pandemic? What's people doing? Some of the people they hope that they can use the Bitcoin for their daily spending, like use the crypto to buy food, use the crypto to use the crypto to pay for the school fee, tutorial fee. Yes, in the future will be happen like this, and Bitcoin will help the other to proceed the transaction better and faster. There's a lot of company they come up with all the platform to help the people to do. And Bitcoin is as we in the previous live stream, I also explained that Bitcoin crypto will be the hedge funding for all the digital currency in the future, because when a lot of people they try to save the market by printing out the money, it's nonsense, because printing out more money look like printing out more and more paper. Print out more the toilet paper is useless, because it will make all the financial collapse. That's why all the government need to come up together, sit down up together with the crypto, and launch some of the digital currency is backed by the cryptocurrency. And now we go to the breaking headline. You all can see some breaking headline down there. We collect the headlines from some reputed sources like the Reuters, CNN. From the Reuters, they say that Kim Jong-un could be in some resort villa, they 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 try to find from the satellite to have a look. And let me go to see, is there any people interact with us. If you have any question, don't be shy and just let us know and discuss. We can discuss and we have fun. uh, share to me more about your idea, and let me know what do you think about the crypto market this day. Yes, we love to hear from you. We love to see you more. Yes, now I can see the chat live, and we will discuss more around the chat. Now we have live is around 20 minutes. Let's see for a while, and we have streamed around 15 minutes ago. Some of the influencer he also complains that their YouTube account have some issue why they do the broadcast about the crypto, because when they do broadcast about crypto, the YouTube they use the algorithm to detect some sensitive word and delete all the live broadcast. That's from that's complaint is from the twister of the law. Let me turn on for you. His name is the La Crypto, the Crypto La. Yes, the Crypto La. I let's see what is his complaint. Crypto La. I go further down here. We can see that Cryptola is one of the famous influencer, and we can see that YouTube algorithm may delete some of his tweets, because he's one of the famous influencer and have the discussion and share the talk with the other cryptoner. When the YouTube see that all the machine learning delete his tweets automatically. He asked why YouTube have no response about us. However, some of the head of the production from YouTube, he explained because last month there's a lot of scam project trying to use YouTube to do the giveaways or the airdrop, and that's why if you search on YouTube with the crypto Bitcoin or ETH, there's so many airdrop. It's some kind of a scam giveaway. That's why please when you see some news, some information to say, oh, that project have a lot of airdrop to ask you to join something like that, you must to do the research carefully, because Cryptola he had a discussion with Andreas, and Andreas also one of the famous influencer, and they have the live chat, and after that his lives on YouTube has been deleted. However, after 3 and 4 hours, his video has been recovered. And now let's have a look what he shared to us about the crypto. Oh, all altcoins going to rocket so hard when the Bitcoin came down. That is the reason why the Bitcoin came down, go down. People they use the Bitcoin to bump up the altcoin. The that's why the price of the Bitcoin is from 9,000 after 4 hours ago, and now it's dropped to 8,800. Okay, let's have a look on the event on text. Based on the Twitter of the event on tech, he's also the famous influencer. His own way have some discussion, some talk about crypto, some share about to us to say that we can see he just dropped a monster privacy cost. and this will be the rise of the privacy blockchain, privacy coins. Our project, we don't tell much about our project. We let the other people can find out by themselves. We know that privacy project is one. The privacy coin is one of the potential in the future. People may rely on this. Okay. Next one, we even on text he also shared to us what his daily life during crypto. Yeah, yes. Market greens. He share. Oh, market green is so funny. As a fresh, as a lime, as a lucky leaf. Yes, it's good. It's good to see the market green. And let's discuss how is the crypto, how is the daily lives of the crypto now. Based on some last stream, some people share with us in with the crypto now they have a very simple life. They have the life to overcome the pandemic, to wish the health for everybody, and they stay at home based on the order of the government. Let's go out, let's meet up. So that a lot of crypto they go together, have a live meeting, a live. Okay, now it's go up. Now it's go up to transfer the data to the stream. Yes, it's a little bit tough during do the live stream. It look like during the storm. However, we can go up, go more with this to overcome the situation. I think it's time for me to end the live stream now. If you have any question, please don't hesitate. Contact us in the social network. Send us the email. Live chat with us. We are happy to answer all of your questions. It's nice to see you. Goodbye.